Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. I'm teacher Longdi from CIA school. Okay, so today we're gonna come up with here, our lesson here today, language using. That is very important for you. That I have already mentioned for you just a little bit time, a little bit time for the previous one. Okay, so today you're gonna see it clearly. So why we need to understand of this word, interested and interesting. Exactly this, the meaning it is the same thing, but the way or the intended meaning inside of the two words is a little bit different, So I really want you to know, and I really want to, all of you use it incorrectly or in the correct way. Don't get confusing of using the two words in the sentence. Sometimes you say it, I am interested, and sometimes you say it, I am interested. So when all of you say the two words in one sentence or you don't know how to use it, that is very complexible. That make you don't understand, and also the listener or your partner, they consider like, so what is it? That you are interested or I am interested. Okay, so that's why we need to understand and we need to know this word, these two words clearly of using it. Okay, so now don't waste the time. Go one by one. Interested. Let's see the example here. I really interested in you. Okay, so now let's see the sentence all together. So here the sentence, I'm really interested in you. So it means that the two words is the adjective. That's part of speech is the adjective, adjective same one. But the meaning is also the same. But the way of using it a little bit different. Okay, I'm really interested in you. So it means that one thing. It means that it is when you use the word interested. The word interested, it means that come up inside from you to another one. Okay, so here I'm really interested, so I mean that you are interested in something or in someone. You are interested in something or you are interested in someone. Like here, I'm really interested in you. So it means that your feeling or your emotional really want to see that person or really want to see that thing. Okay, so it come up from inside of you, inside of yourself. Okay, it's not come up from outside. So remember, so when you use the word interested, it means that someone or something, you feel like you are interested. You are really needed. You really need it. So this is the way how to use the word interested. Okay? So now let's see a sentence again. I'm really interested in you. It means that it come up inside your heart to outside. Okay, so it means that you are interested in someone or you are interested in something. Make you feel like you cannot go away with those person, with those somebody or with those thing. So you are really needed. You really need it. So that's why you can use the word interested. Okay? So now move to the next one. Interesting. The word interesting, it means that the things, the objective, or someone or somebody make you feel interested. Make you feel interested. Remember, when you see the handsome man outside, or the superstar, example like Rain, a singer star in Korea. Okay, so when you see Rain come out, you say like, Rain make me interesting. It means that your superstar make you feel interested in them. Okay, so it's not come up from your heart, the bottom, okay, from inside of your heart, but the one or the thing, it is outside from you, make you feel interested in. Okay, so that's why you say, I'm interested in you. I'm interested in bag. Okay, in that bag. Okay, so now let's see the sentence that start with the word interesting altogether. Okay, so here, the sentence. Okay, this phone is interesting. This phone is interesting. So see that? So you mean that the thing who make you feel interested, the phone, right? The phone is not a kind that come inside from your heart. It is outside. Okay, when you're looking at something or you're looking at somebody, the thing or that somebody make you feel interest. Make you feel interest. So you can say, Rain make me feel interesting. Got it? Like this sentence. This phone is interesting. Okay, so now let's see one more sentence. Okay, another sentence. I have a lot of interesting book. I have a lot of interesting books. Okay, so now this is the way how to use the word interesting. Okay, I have a lot of interesting books. So you have many kinds of books that you can introduce to your friend or to your teacher or to anybody you know. Okay, so you can tell them, I have a lot of interesting book. You got it? So this is the way how to use the word interesting. Again, interested, it means that you feel something or you feel somebody. It is from inside the bottom of your heart. It is inside from your heart that make you feel interest. But when you use the word interesting, it means that the thing or the people outside or around you make you feel interest. Okay, let's see the sentence again. This phone is interesting. Why? Because it makes you feel interest. It makes you feel interest. You got it? Okay, another example. I have a lot of interesting books. So you got a lot of books, and then you want to introduce to your friend, to your teacher, or to anybody. That's why you can say that sentence. I have a lot of interesting books. So you got it clear about the way of using the two words on the board. Okay, so if you want to see more, there is many kinds of words that we can go and learning. All right, so this is give you a clue. This is give you another idea to make you use these kinds of word, the word interesting and the word interested. Okay, so if you think that this video helped you a lot, okay, so you can spread this, so okay, this lesson to your friend. Okay, you can take time for you to learn one by one. Okay, so that is all my presentation. Okay, my presentation today. So I hope you can learn from this lesson very well. Okay, so good luck everyone. Bye bye. See you next time.